Hello everyone, in this lecture the difference between acronym and blend in linguistics is explained in detail with understandable examples. But if you are new to my channel then please like and subscribe the channel. Let's first learn acronym. An acronym is a word formed by the initial letters of words in a set phrase or series of words. What does it mean? Simply, it means that an acronym refers to a word which is created by the initial letters of other words. In other words, you can say, when one word is created when you take the initial letters from other words. I think you are not getting the point. But don't worry, let me give you some examples, then you will understand it. Just look at this series of words. National Aeronautics and Space Administration. You can see these are series of words, but if I take the letter N from national and the letter A from aeronautics, and then take the letter S from the word space, and then take the initial letter A from the word administration. So, it becomes a new word, NASA. Actually, it is independent agency of the U.S. federal government responsible for the civil space program, aeronautics research, and space research. Or just look at another example. Self-contained underwater breathing apparatus. If we take the initial letter S from the word self, and then take the letter C from contained, and then U from underwater, and then take the initial letter B from the word breathing, and then A from the word apparatus. So, it creates a new word, scuba. Basically, it is a portable breathing system that allows divers to breathe underwater independently of any surface air supply. So, this is simply called acronym in linguistics. Now let's learn blend. In linguistics, a blend is a word formed by fusing parts of two or more existing words together. Simply, it means that a blend is also another way of creating a new word in linguistics. But it is a little different from the acronym. Basically, when a word is created by combining the beginning of one word with the end of another word. In simple words you can say, when you take two words and take the beginning of one word and then take the ending of another word and then you join it. So, in a result you get a new word. So, this process is called a blend in linguistics. Just look at these two words. Breakfast and lunch. These are two separate words, but if we take the initial part, br, from the word break, and the ending part, unch, from the word lunch. So, it creates a new word, brunch. It refers to the combination of breakfast and lunch. It is usually served in late morning. So, this process is called blend in linguistics. Look at another two words. Smoke and fog. If we take the initial part from the word smoke, and then take the ending part from the word fog. So, it creates a new word, smog. Basically, it refers to an air pollution by a mixture of smoke and fog. So, you need to keep in mind this method. So, this method is called blend in linguistics. Well, if you have enjoyed this lecture then please don't forget like and subscription to the channel.